2, 1, go.
Let's see what we have going in match number 38, 66, 62. They've moved up in a position, as well as their alliance partner moved up onto that center davit, but did not quite successfully deliver that gear. There's 4 seconds remaining. 65.06, they move to center field. And their drivers have taken control. Looks like Quicksilver's got 1 gear. They're lining up on their davit, getting ready to deliver in teleoperated mode. Blue Alliance got 1 gear delivered successfully in autonomous. They got that 1 rotor started for an extra bonus during the autonomous period. They were very close to a 2nd gear, 65.06, but it was just a little bit too quick on the load up, and it did not make it into the airship. Already lots of fuel on the field with 100 seconds remaining. A lot of time remaining. And another gear I see successfully delivered into that blue airship. It'll be a game of gears as we're tied up to 75-75. That's the 2nd gear delivery to the Blue Alliance airship. And the rotor start. That's 2 rotors on the Blue Alliance, bringing them up to a score of 115. That's a pulling ahead, and they already have only 3 gears remaining for their 3rd rotor. Red Alliance trying to load a couple more gears into their machine. Looks like they have their 2nd gear delivery, spinning up their rotor, and there it goes. That's a tied up at 115 to 115 on the Red Alliance and Blue Alliance. Red Alliance pulling ahead. We got some impact going on near that red retrieval zone, probably 65.06, trying to get in people's way, but getting a little bit aggressive. Just under 1 minute remaining to play. 34.82 coming across to that red retrieval zone, trying to load another gear so they can finish up that final gear train. Looks like the Blue Alliance got 4 more gears and a successful start of their 3rd rotor, bringing them up to a score of 155, pulling ahead into the lead. Looks like only 2 gears remaining needed for the 3rd rotor on the Red Alliance side, which means they may have time in the final 34 seconds. But these robots also need to prepare to board their airships, because now it's time for the pilots to release the lines so they can climb. 34.82, they're on their way up onto the airship, as well as Quicksilver 604. We got 1 robot on the red. They're ready to fly. 604, Quicksilver ready to fly. 66.62, they are ready for takeoff. It's neck and neck. We got 10 seconds left. Can any more robots get on board? Looks like 54.99. They're trying to get up high enough to get all the way onto the airship in the remaining 4 seconds. Can they make it? 2, 1, 0. Not quite enough time. It's going to come down to the final calls from the referees for everything's final.
Looks like Red Alliance is going to take the win, 240 to 205. There was a yellow card on 66-62 for reaching underneath.